Hey guys, welcome to my video tutorial / let's play of how to play Noisy Scrabble, where instead of trying to spell the longest word with the highest value, players are given a prompt by the one who is it, and based on that prompt, must form a sound with the letters they have. The first thing you're going to need is a bag of Scrabble tiles. Unlike a normal Scrabble, they are going to need to be separated into piles of vowels and non-vowels. If you want, you can use the blank tiles. If you decide to do this, place one in the pile of non-vowels and one in the pile of vowels. They're not necessarily required for this version of Scrabble, but if you want, you can use the back of the tile board as a flat surface to play on, and the tile racks as a way for players to help display their words. The last thing you'll need to play Noisy Scrabble are players. Noisy Scrabble can be played with 3 to 4 people. However, because we are in the middle of a global pandemic, this Let's Play will not be using people. So without further ado, meet Dennis, Daisy, Duchess, and Donovan. After dividing the piles of vowels and non-vowels evenly between the 4 players, it's time to determine who goes first. Each player will pick a tile from their pile, and whoever has the tile closest to A will be the one to go first. This time, it's Dennis who's going first, and his word is electrocution. The players are now ready to share their sounds by showing how they're spelled and giving an example of how they're pronounced. Since a manatee's vocal range is hard for the human ear to hear, I will be saying their noises for them. However, if this were to be played by humans, the person who created the noise would be the one to say it. Duchess's noise is Serb. Donovan's noise is Cert. Daisy's noise is Visp. Dennis likes Duchess's noise best, so the point for this round goes to her. The next player is determined by going in a clockwise rotation, so it's Duchess's turn. Duchess chooses the word motorboat. A bit controversial with this crowd, if you ask me. Donovan's noise is Vroom. Daisy's noise is Swee. Dennis's noise is Nope. While an amusing commentary on the manatee motorboat relationship, Duchess doesn't really think that Dennis's word counts as a noise. Dennis makes an argument to try and persuade her, but ultimately the point goes to Daisy. It's Donovan's turn now, and putting on his poker face, he gives the players the prompt, falling leaves. Duchess doesn't feel like she has any tiles that she can use to make a noise that works in this scenario, so she decides to sit this round out. Daisy's noise is ruffs, and Dennis's noise is yum. As a fellow herbivore and fan of eating leaves, Donovan gives the point to Dennis. It goes to show that in Noisy Scrabble, sometimes a more flexible interpretation of the rules can pay off. A few rounds later, most players only have 2 or 3 tiles, which means it's time to end the game. However, there is a tie between Dennis and Duchess. To determine the final winner, each of the tiebreakers picks 8 random tiles from the discard pile. Now they must make up a word that uses all of the 8 tiles. Whoever of the other players thinks has the funnier or more creative word wins. Duchess's word is Dudkami, and Dennis's word is Lalivita. Both words are creative and fun to say, but after some deliberation, Dennis is awarded the winning point.